Wait for me!
Isn't that lovely?
Oh, but this is the best one.
They've arrived! They've arrived!
About time, too.
Oh, drat!
Ouch!
Come on, Owl, we're waiting for you.
Dear friends, old and new, traveling companions and comrades. As you know, we, that is, some of us,
Come on, Owl.
we've come here today because we feel, well, we feel that there's something wrong, something missing from our lives.
Wait a minute. I thought we wanted to elect a leader.
That's why I came here.
So let's get on with it. Any names?
I suggest Hoo-Poo!
Listen now. Thanks a lot for this great honor, but I can't accept.
Oh!
Listen, I'd like to make a suggestion. I know someone. We all know someone who could do the job.
Who is he?
The Simorg.
But he's a stranger.
He's far away, isn't he?
And we'd have to go and look for him.
Yes,
Why should we?
because we need someone more than just a leader. We need a friend.
I want someone to make me feel safe.
Make me feel happy.
To stop us bickering.
The Simorg can do all these things.
How?
I think it's by... Yes, it must be. By giving us a good example. Making us see ourselves as we really are. How about it? Owl?
Oh, I don't know. I can't fly very well.
There'll be more gold and jewels than you can imagine once you reach the Simorg.
Oh, what do you mean?
More riddles.
Hawk, you're not nervous, are you?
Me? Of course not. But I'm not going. I've got everything I want.
How about you, Duck?
She's happy enough.
Hoo-Poo, no one wants to go with you.
You think so? Come on! Or are you going to stay there bickering all day? Come on! You won't regret it!
Come on, you cowards!
I'm not a coward.
Neither am I.
Neither am I! Neither am What's that red glow over there?
It's only the sunset.
Sunset? That's fire!
Where?
Did I say it would be easy?
You didn't say it would be dangerous. Dangerous! I'm going back.
Oh, come on, Finch. Anything worth finding is difficult. Think of the Simorg. He's waiting for you.
He doesn't know we're coming.
Oh, yes, he does. And he's looking after you all the time.
More riddles again, Hoo-Poo.
Oh, no!
I get it, Owl. Oh, help! I'm falling.
Partridge, drop the sack.
No, don't!
Drop the sack!
All alone. lovely jewels.
All that lovely gold.
Parrot! Swan! Don't turn back. If you don't look, you won't ever find.
Won't ever find.
Well done, the rest of you.
Won't ever find.
You've shown the Simorg. He's more important than anything else. Even gold, Owl. Just a short rest.
But it's lovely. I'm in love.
So am I.
True lovers don't think of themselves.
All I can think of is this rose.
So, if the rose should give you its scent, would you give it your voice?
Are you mad? What good is a nightingale without a song?
If you love that rose, you must give up everything.
But it's only a flower.
Yes, only a flower. So come on.
Ah,
Nightingale, peacock, come on.
oh,
Don't be tempted. They're only flowers.
beautiful flowers.
In beautiful paradise.
All right. Come on, the rest of you.
Goodbye, beautiful garden.
It's hard to leave.
It was so beautiful. So safe. I loved it.
When you reach the Simorg, you will love and be loved, and you won't ever have to leave. We have to land here.
Where on earth are we?
Wherever you'd like to be. But you have to find your own way.
More riddles.
One thing's certain. We're on the right road to the Simorg.
The right road? But there are hundreds.
Yes, a different one for each and every one of us. But all going to the same place.
Which one's mine?
You're in luck. Today, yours is with me.
Duck, where are you going?
She's gone to find the Simorg.
Typical Duck. She always knows best.
Will she find him?
If she doesn't forget where she's heading.
Oh, I'm glad we're with you, Hoopoe.
Wait for me!
Hoopoe,
I've never flown as high as this before.
I don't like it. Oh, we'll soon be in space.
Exactly.
What?
You're leaving your safe little world behind, my friends. Cutting yourself off from everything you know. It's a great adventure. Don't be afraid.
But we could fall.
Not if you trust in the Simorg. With the Simorg, we are all one.
Oh no! It's hot. It's cold.
I don't like this place, Hoopoe.
It makes us look odd. I can't recognise you.
I can't recognize myself.
That's because you and I are not important. There is no me, just we.
Who am I? What's happening now?
Don't ask me. I don't know anything.
Let's go, Hoopoe.
All right. If you're sure you're ready, I know just the place.
Where?
There.
The sea?
I don't like the sea.
You won't get me into it.
I can't, Hoopoe.
You can. This is the last lap. Just dive in. Lose yourselves in the water. Trust. Trust in the Simorg.
I can't.
Oh well, I'll just have to go on my own.
It's all right for them. They like the horrible thing.
Why am I doing this? Will someone please tell me?
Wait for me! Oh, we've arrived.
We've arrived.
$14, $15, $16, $28, $29, $30.
Yes. Oh, it's you again.
And I've brought some friends.
Pooh-pooh. I'm very busy.
But we've come such a long way.
And you're very tired. And you want to see the Simorgh. I've heard it all so many times.
Would you please let us in?
Would you please be sensible? All of you! Be sensible! And go home!
Go home. I'm not going home. We're not going home, are we?
We're not going home. Not until we've seen the Simorgh. We haven't come all this way to turn back now. Let us in now.
Oh, all right. A special favor, mind. Just this once, and you'd better behave yourselves. Now, follow me.
Wait for us. I am this mirror. Study what you see.
For I am also you, and you are me.
You 30 tired birds, no more, no less,
Have traveled all this way to find success.
you flew with me, through me, under my wing, and together we won. You found your king.
And smile you shall, and be yourselves again, forever free from misery and pain.